Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday. Tuesday, it's free for everyone, so we'll have some live streams open for public. Sorry about my voice, but it's the best I can do at the moment. Well, it's Tuesday. It's a FOMC week. We should be extra careful what we are doing. Probably the best for beginners is to stay the fuck out from the market or follow other traders because will be ugly. Probably dark bowl candles, probably surprise news or rumors like we had last night. As you see, at the end of the day, they are putting some rumors out there. Well, will be a surprise. We'll do this. The war is over. The war is on. They are manipulating the market. Obviously, at least for me, it's fucking obviously that they are manipulating the market and they are making money with that. And if you don't know I don't know, you don't know exactly what you should do in this kind of conditions, you'll lose money. And they'll gladly take your money. Okay, please tell me if we have sound and if we have image. Let's see if the image will change. No. Doesn't want to do that, but pretty soon it will. There you go. Okay, so let's daily plan here. Let's go on CME daily time frame. I think that's the best chart. Remember this smile? Yeah? You remember this smile here? Unfortunately, people will have another smile here. Look at it. This is an M on daily, people, and we are going down. Why I don't trigger anything? I'm not, I don't know, aggressively speaking about this M because we have a FOMC week. So could be a trap. Looks like an M. It is an M with some confirmation from indicators, some bearish divergence from MACD. But because it's a FOMC week, it's better to wait. Okay, CME chart looks similar. We are aiming out here and going to test some levels. It's a range, people. Yeah, we have equal highs, approximately equal lows, and actually this is a fucking range. Play the range game, play the Monday range if you are a day trader, and you'll be okay. So we had yesterday a bit of bounce. Everyone was happy. Well, we'll go to the moon. Well, no, sorry, not this time. Last night we had the rumors that they will increase the interest rate, and look at the result. This dump, I have to mention that this dump is not about crypto. It's not about Sailor selling Bitcoin or 51% attacks on Bitcoin or legislation about Bitcoin or about crypto. No, this time is about the traditional market. Crypto is reacting in the same direction, is going down, but usually crypto is also the first one to bounce, especially Bitcoin and some strong altcoins. So yes, we'll go down to traditional market, but when the dump is done, crypto will recover faster than the rest. At least that it is my experience. So be extra careful with that. Don't, I said in the morning for everyone, don't play the rumors, play the range game. Yeah, we are not playing the news or the rumors, we are playing our advantage. We see the range, we see the levels, and we try to play that. Hopefully you get the idea. Technically on the chart we are in a range, we are getting closer to the middle of the range, 16 something. I don't think it's wise to open a position here as a swing trader. You have the same ideas like on the other chart. Some bearish divergence here, you can see. Low, lower, low, EM. You can see that. Confirmation from RSI and nothing else. So let's go on Ethereum. Ethereum doesn't have the same EM. Ethereum is a bit stronger. Ethereum has higher highs here. Now you can see higher highs, higher lows. Is still stronger than Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will stop dumping, well, I think Ethereum will recover faster than Bitcoin. And yes, and everything. Has indeed a bit of resistance here at 2000, but if Bitcoin will drop like a hammer, of course, that will drag Ethereum down. It's pretty obvious. I still stick with my 2 cents about the market. Valid inverse head and shoulder, neckline. If we accept above 2000, we should slowly go to 2200. And that's the area, at least that's the area where I want to short. Good morning, and good morning again. So that's my view about Ethereum on daily. Dominance. Well, up, down, nothing new. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Remember when we had this EM or potential EM and I said, well, I still want another, at least to test that level, to touch that 003 level. Maybe even higher, maybe even above 003 level to get a daily EM. If we get that, well, then we know we have a chance for lower. So don't call a bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, people. If you switch on weekly and you zoom out and see the entire chart, you'll understand. In my 2 cents, in my humble opinion, I think that bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin will be after the Bitcoin bottom. And we don't have a Bitcoin bottom yet. Just my 2 cents. Total market cap is just fucking around. Look at it, what we have now. Yeah? The same EM like on Bitcoin. Look at it. Looks like a Wyckoff distribution pattern here. Yeah, indeed. Looks like. Bearish divergence on MACD histogram. Some bearish divergence even on OBV. Well, there are some signs out there. We confirmed the EM. Location is not the best for a short, but warning signs, don't be too bullish. We have plenty warning signs. Okay, so that's total. People speaking about this chart, I saw actually about this one, about this chart on weekly. Yeah, people, I don't have any fucking reason not to think lower. Yeah, I don't see weekly W's. I don't see anything to change the direction of the trend. Let's wait until October. I don't like to call tops and bottoms. When it's pretty obvious, I'll post, well, pay attention to this level. Let's pay attention to the October month to see what will happen. Maybe October, maybe November, maybe December, who the fuck knows? Looks like if we follow the same pattern, October will be the bottom, if we follow that pattern. Anyway, if we accept below 50,000 here, I'll become more aggressive buying more Bitcoin. And if I'll get a weekly W, of course I'll buy even more. Okay, now let's take a look at ES. There you go. You can see the EM starting to form on weekly, but let's stay on daily. There you go. We have EMs. I think we have some. We have some EMs here. It's still a range. We are still playing fib pong from the highs to the lows, short reload zone, long reload zone. So let's consider this $7,650 and $7,250 the bottom. So this is the range and we are fucking around. The rest is not up to us, people. The rest is not up to us. Play the range if it's possible. If you don't know how to play the range, learn how to play the range and then go and risk your own money in the market. In September, we start Cup 01, so that's a nice way to learn how to trade. 3 or 4 places left in total until we'll reach the max number allowed. Okay, that's ES on daily. probably will test some lows here. We have an SFU level here, another SFU here. On lower time frame, we are at the Monday low, so be extra careful. Maybe an SFU of this one and then bounce back. Who knows? Gold trying to survive at 4,000, nothing special here. It's just trying to hold the level. Oil, the war is over again. Well, the war is on, the war is off, the war is on, the war is off. Come on, people. I told you multiple times, this is not our play. It's not for us. Yeah? This is for other, for people that can manipulate the market. I don't even try to predict what will happen. I give you some support and resistance, and that's it. DXY, and remember I said it's pretty fucking bullish. Look at it. If this it's over and we consolidated this, we should go to the next one, 105. Looks like accumulation here. You like it, you don't like it, you know what DXY looking bullish means. Okay. ZEC, someone asked about ZEC. Well, what do you want about ZEC? What you can talk about ZEC? ZEC had a daily M in the short reload zone with bearish divergence on everything we need. Some people took this high on lower time frame. Some people took the retest on medium time frame. Some people took the M on daily time frame, and we are going down. A, B equals D are pointing lower. If you are short, and you should be short on fucking ZEC, enjoy. Make the trade risk free. Trail as low as you can. You eliminated the risk making a risk free trade. Nice. I like it. By the way, people, where the fuck are the moon boys? I don't hear any moon boys anymore. This is an example. Stay the fuck out. Yeah. And our favorite shitcoin. Guess what? We touched 108. A new day, a new all-time low. Closer and closer to the moon. Say thank you to Elon Musk if you bought some at the top. Trust Elon Musk. And if you bought at the top and you also heard my warnings, get the fuck out. Go to your daily job and do something else, because trading or investing is not for you. Yeah? Now, if you heard me talking about this one and telling you stay the fuck out, stay the fuck out, stay the fuck out is not for us, and you still bought the top, then honestly, in my opinion, you deserve your fucking fate, and stop trading, stop investing, learn first, trade later. It's so obvious for me. You are part of the public, you are still inclined to believe them and to become their liquidity. Go do something else, you'll be better. Or learn. Two choices. Stop trading, stop investing, get the fuck out, or stop trading, stop investing, and start learning. Now, well, I told you the levels, you know what I want from this one. I'm not saying it will not go up in time. It will, most probably, but from lower levels. Okay, so that's my higher time frame review. Let's take a look at the calendar. For today, we don't have high impact news, but Trump is compensating. They are putting some rumors out there. You saw the interest rate surprise and so on. They all manipulate the market up and down, up and down, up and down the entire fucking week. Extra careful. Don't fuck around with 1-2%. Stay with 0.5, and even with 0.5, slow down a little bit. It's not the best environment to risk your money. Okay, so Monday we had news. Wednesday we'll have interest rate. Maybe tomorrow evening in the Fed conference I'll do a live stream just for fun, just for popcorn, just to see how the market is moving, what is happening. But I'll announce that tomorrow. Okay, now going on the day trading part. 1 hour time frame. What do we have here? Monday range from previous week, Monday range from 2 weeks ago, and Monday range from this week. As I suggested, play the Monday range, not the rumors. You can see we are fighting the Monday low. We accept it below, but if we accept above, then the target is middle of the range at least, testing these yams. Play the Monday range. So play the SFU here, play the SFU here, play the range. Yeah, the range game is pretty simple, boring but simple. What I could tell you about this? Not too many things. If you are short from here, from this big yam, yeah, this was a trade posted for people that don't have any trade at the neckline. I said, well, if you don't have any shorts from higher, well, take this one. And even with this one, you made nice money. 3R. And I said here, take some profit off. Here, make it risk-free. Here, take some profit off and trail the rest. Or close it entirely. If you close it entirely, well, you had a chance here. But that was a hard retest. Ugly to trade. If you still have the initial short one, trail as low as possible. If you remember when we got this yam, I posted, I said about the house levels, and I said the market will stop here. If we'll accept below this level, then we'll go to the next one. And look at it. We bounced, we dumped, we bounced, we dumped, and guess what? We stopped here. Can you see the importance of these levels? It's possible to get an M and then put the 4669 as a take profit like this and say, well, I took the M and I'll take the profit here. I'll make the trade risk-free here and take the profit here. That's a 4-1. It's something you can include in your plans? I think it's possible, and it's even a damn nice idea. Look at it. We touched that level and we are bouncing. So that is about the house levels. With this M, we kind of predicted the moves until here. And now, most probably here, you can see the house level is still a valid level. Probably will bounce until here, touching this level, retesting. If we don't accept, we'll dump even more. But don't think short here at the Monday low. Not a good idea. Ethereum, similar. Yeah, we reclaimed above the Monday low. You can see a bit stronger than Bitcoin. The target for this reclaim, it's the middle of the range. Maybe even short reload zone here. So thinking long here is not a bad idea. We have a reclaim above the Monday range, Monday low. You can play the SFU on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. And you can see we closed above. On 1 hour time frame, the stop loss should be here. Let's frame this setup on 1 hour. Let's see what will happen until New York. There you go. Something like this, people. Let's see. We have 2-1. Well, let's be a bit greedier and think 61.8. No? That's a 3R. So wait for a retest or market buy here. I don't think it's wise, but I don't market buy. I'll wait for a retest if I want to play something. Do you think it's wise to take this one? I think so. It's a setup. It's an SFU setup. This candle, this big candle needs a retest. So probably on lower time frame we have some bullish divergence already. Let's see. Let's take a look at 50-minute chart. There you go. Bullish divergence here. 5-minute chart. There you go. There are some things too. Anyway, let's go back on 1 hour. It's possible to do one more SFU in the London session. Yes, be careful with that. Take upon 5 if you want to take this trade, because it's possible to take this one and even lower levels and then bounce. The market will bounce, most probably. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Play the Monday range, people. Some people asked about hype. What is to say about hype? Is behaving like the rest. Let's switch on 4-hour chart. If we accept below this level, we have even bigger yams. I'm not eager to short this one. Not because it will not go down, people. Just because it's stronger than the rest. So why the fuck I should focus on shorting this one? No. If we'll go low enough, I'll add to my position or I'll buy more spot. If we'll SFU the highs, maybe I'll think about a short. In meantime, in this range, I'm not interested to trade it. It's possible to trade? Yes. Stefan is proving that week after week, that it's possible to trade hype and make money. I'm not saying it's not possible. I just told you that I'm not interested in this chart. Different things, yeah? Solana. You want to know my opinion? You already know my opinion about Solana. Nothing. Yes, on 4-hour chart. You can see the M's already, yeah? You can see the Monday ranges from 1 month ago, 3 weeks ago, last week, and this week. Let's go on 1 hour. There you go. Well, we are testing the Monday low. We have some liquidity here. Maybe we'll SFU in the London session one more time and then bounce. But let's think about Monday range. Yeah? Let's think about Monday range. Let's think about SFU of these levels, bouncing back. Yeah, the rumor about the interest rate, well, that's the effect. But you know that they don't last too much. They posted the bearish news, then they'll post the bullish news, and they'll fuck around with your mind over and over again. Play the range, not the news, not the rumors. Okay. Nasdaq. Similar, weaker than ES. Indeed, weaker than ES. And that's not a good sign when you see Nasdaq weaker than ES. To be honest, it's not a good sign in my humble opinion, but well, it is what it is. Play the Monday range if you want to play something. Wait for a reclaim and then play the reclaim and middle of the range to be your risk free, and top of the range your take profit. Gold, you can see we have multiple Monday ranges. It's just a big fuckery here. I don't like this pattern here. If we accept below this level, that's a big fucking yam on 4-hour chart on higher time frame. I don't like it. Probably it's just a range. We'll hold 4,000 for the moment. And ZEC, we talked about ZEC multiple times. Nothing I could say about it. Yeah. Going to Papa. Going down. Good bounce? Yes. You can see we just made another low. Going back on Bitcoin. You know what to do, people. Yeah, reclaiming of the Monday range means long. SFUing the Monday high means short. SFUing the high here at 67 to 148 means short. Don't believe the stories that, well, they'll do a surprise. No, they are rumors, they are news designed to make you think in one direction. And guess what? They'll do the opposite, usually. So please don't trade based on news, based on rumors. Trade based on your setups, on your plan, on your advantage. Otherwise, you'll lose your portfolio pretty fucking fast. By the way, registration for Capua 2 is open. Registration for Capua 1 is still open. Registration for VIP, if you want to get Stefan trades, will open at the end of the month. For the moment is open only for insiders, for already VIP members. How many places will be left after they'll renew? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And premium is pretty obvious. People, please stop DMing me about premium. If it's something important, okay, but sending me 5 DMs to get in premium beats the purpose of automating this one. It's so fucking simple. You click join, you have two options, Ethereum address or Solana address. and you just put USDC there. It specifically said USDC. Yeah. If you have USDC in one fucking exchange, put it in a different wallet, in your phantom wallet or something, and then send it. Try to do the subscription. Otherwise, it will ask you questions. What is with this address? Where is from? What is the payment for? If you have an exchange like that, enjoy yourself. Put the money in a in a different wallet, a phantom wallet. You have the keys, and you don't have to answer why you are sending money. When you have to answer why you are sending money on crypto, you are on the wrong platform, people. Remember that. If you have to say where you send the money, why you send the money, maybe it's not a good idea, and things like that, you are in a bank already. You are not in crypto anymore. Okay? Go subscribe. We have 33 places left. It's pretty fucking cheap. Less than $1 a day. You get access on New York session. You get access to premium trades, setups, and a lot of things. The rest is up to you. Okay. Well, from my ledger, I could redraw 100k. Nobody will ask me, Stefan. Huh? Nobody will ask me. And to be honest, I don't have too much money on the exchanges anymore. It's the moment that you don't want to have money on exchanges. Let's bring that discussion up if it's the case. Yeah, you don't want to have money on exchanges, and you saw 1, 2 exchanges, 3 exchanges go belly up, but a stupid trader told you before July that he's getting the fuck out from exchanges. Well, you'll have to wait, Stefan. Yeah, I told you before. Well, get the fuck out from exchanges. Stay on Ledger. Stay on your private wallets. And when you see the things are cooling off, you can go back on exchanges. Keep on exchanges enough to trade. Consider to trade with high leverage and keep a small amount on the exchange. And if you make a big profit, redraw that profit back to your wallet and so on. It's just the beginning of the exchanges going belly up. It's possible an exchange like Binance to go belly up. It's not probable, but it's possible. And you don't want to wait 4 fucking years to get your crypto back and do it getting like you saw FTX doing, giving you the dollar value. Not the Bitcoin, not the crypto, you don't want that. So get your money the fuck out from exchanges, especially exchanges that they don't allow you to redraw your money immediately. Okay? It's so fucking simple. Get your money out. Be your own boss. Be your key is your money. Well, I don't know about Zach. To be honest, I prefer Monero if his idea about privacy. Even if... But, well, Zach, I think it's good enough. The problem with Zach is that it's designed for something else. And there are solutions. I don't have to give you the solutions how to manage your own money. I'm just trying to tell you, get the fuck out from the exchanges, because they could control your crypto. If a state will say you'll keep the money, they'll keep your money. Anyway, people, we have a reclaim on 1 hour. The London session started and we reclaim back above the Monday low. So that's up to you. You can see this one is pumping higher. Probably Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Let's see what will happen. That being said, remember, today is Tuesday, open for everyone. In 10-15 minutes, Stefan will do a live stream. You know us, every week, day trading with Stefan. You can ask your questions there. You can put your requests in that live stream. If you have a question for me in that live stream, tag me in the chat. Tag Crypto Traders Arena in the chat. If you want to participate in the New York session, you are free to join us if you are on Discord. If you want to join Discord, you have to join through Premium, through this link. Yeah, I make some exceptions for some people that are subscribers to Stefan, and I'll let them in the free part. But the classic way is you get 1 month Premium membership, and then you can stay in the server as much as you want as a free member. You don't have to renew the Premium subscriptions. At least that will give me an idea that you're kind of serious. You're not fucking around. Yeah? Okay, people. Looking at Ethereum, looking at Bitcoin. Both of them are the Monday low. You can see ES is bouncing without touching the Monday low. Draw your own conclusions. See you in 10-15 minutes. Protect your capital. This week is dangerous. See you next time, people.